Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys what happens if your backpack is full and you purchased like an item and it is missing. Basically, you will be able to find it in your mailbox if you can't find it. So don't worry if you think it's missing, it is in your mailbox here. It says, hello, there's the item you couldn't claim due to overcapacity. Please reorganize your backpack and claim them again at your time. So make sure now when you claim it, you have space in your backpack. And then I'm able to claim the item because my backpack was full. Whoa, and I didn't realize it. So yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!